Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing some drop tests. Finally, after the long awaited time, I got all the phones down there. Got the S20 Ultra recording slow motion. I'm recording with the S22 Ultra. So I want to kind of tell you what's been going on in life and why I haven't been making as much videos. I got in a car accident. It was a minor car accident, I would say. I was alright, but the car's been a pain to get worked on. I'll post some pictures up here. And then my second baby was born March the 6th. So that kind of explains the absence of 9 months there, you know, being there for my wife and everything. So yeah, figured I'll give you a little heads up, guys. It's a little windy out today, so hopefully we can give some good drop tests out here, but we'll see what happens. We're going with the back drop. It's an iPod Touch 4th generation with a bad LCD. Right there it is, bad LCD, and what else was wrong with it? I think it was iCloud locked if I remember right. But back drop in 3, 2, 1. Alright, and that was from waist height. I did kind of polish the back of this up a little bit from the unboxing videos, you can tell. Some scuff marks there, a couple little dents. Looks like I might have hit there first. Still working, LCD still damaged. We'll really try for a corner drop, but I'm not really expecting a lot. In 3, 2, 1. That looks more like the back kind of here. Yeah, right here on this end. Kind of went on that end. Some more scuffs up here. Still looks the same. We might try for one more corner drop. We'll kind of do like a little trick. I'm going to hold it and just kind of let it fall in one of the corners. That's good enough for a corner drop we're going to be able to get, to be honest. And still works. It looks like it hit the top corner right here. Some pretty interesting damage. The other corners look fine. I may have got a little scuff on it, but now it is time for the face down. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. You can already tell it didn't take much to crack it. It is completely shattered from top. Some spider webs down. It's got a little good spot here and here. We're going to continue on with the drop test. Because, yeah, why not? It's not really any good anyway, so we'll go head height on the back in 3, 2, 1. And the front completely shattered from backdrop. Looks like there's some more indents on the body itself. But yeah, that's pretty crazy how bad it's shattered. LCD still kind of works. Open this up. See, the LCD's kind of working still. So we'll go and do a corner drop. I'm just going to do the exact same way because, like I said, it's pretty windy out. So 3, 2, 1. I don't think that one got in the slow motion, sadly. And again, it hit that top corner, it looks like. So we got some pretty major bending of the metal there. The power button does not work anymore. Home key is still working. You see the damage right there is pretty significant. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and do the face drop. In 3, 2, 1. And seems to still be working. So I think, to be honest, on this one we're just going to chuck it in the air and hope for the best. I don't see any other damage to the frame. So yeah, we're just going to throw it in the air and see what happens. Here it is. Still works. The screen is completely coming off. We're going to do it again. It's really windy out today. I even kind of parked the car right here, so maybe it blocked the wind from the video. But 3, 2, 1. Something flew over here. Let's see what this was. Piece of glass. Looks like the front camera bracket. Here it is again. Looks like this time it might have hit this corner. Do that over there. See, it's got some damage on this end. I dropped it there. Still works though. We'll give it one more shot and see what happens, and then go and call this one a dunner. That one's flying. I heard something flew off of it. Some kind of piece of metal, it sounded like. Ooh, that took some damage. They hit the top corner again. Look at that, guys. Not really getting warm. Doesn't turn on. Or at least from the home button, it doesn't. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.